Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Only Best and you're welcome to Only Best Beauty Patente B. So guys, in today's video we'll be dealing on Segnale di Precedenza part 7. So that means that we are almost rounding up because we've dealt on most of these signals, okay, Segnale di Precedenza. So we have about 1 or 2 videos to round up Segnale di Precedenza and then we'll go into another chapter. So if you just see my video, if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, we've gone a bit far on these topics. Okay, so I recommend going back to the previous videos and watch so that you keep on track. Now, if you want to join the classes, the number is on the screen, okay, because that's where I spend most of my time compared to the YouTube. Though I intend doing daily quizzes on YouTube for people who don't go through these classes and all that. We just need continuous quizzes. Okay, I will see if I can do it maybe come next week because the holidays have started. So it's going to help me concentrate better. It's not easy running this one with house and all that, chores, the kids. It is not easy. But I'll see what I can do. If I can do it these holidays, it will be okay for those who are getting ready for their exams. Like everyday quizzes. I won't promise Saturdays, Sundays, but I can actually promise Monday to Fridays. So let me use Saturdays and do the remaining chores. It's not easy anyway. So guys, let's jump into why we're here. Please, if you're not subscribed, you'll be missing out on so many things, really. Please subscribe to my channel, turn the bell on so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to know. Every video is important in this race until you get your patent in hand. Okay, until it is over, it is not yet over. So let us jump into why we're here. Now, like I said, we're dealing on Segnale di Precedenza. And the one we have here is Dare Precedenza nei sensi unici alternati. What does this sign tell you when you see this sign on the road? Now, one thing you should know, when you do like this, it round, you get red shape, round cycle like this. Now, other sign, and this time, na Segnale di Precedenza. Now, let us see what this sign is telling us. On Segnale, don't mistake this for Segnale di divieto. Don't mistake it for Segnale, please. Now, Precedenza sign. All right. On Segnale di prescrizione Precedenza. Remember, say Segnale di Precedenza. Now, also Segnale di prescrizione. So, the final asks you for your test, say, is this Segnale di Precedenza? They might come and ask you, is this Segnale di prescrizione? It is still vero. Impone di dare precedenza ai veicoli provenienti da senso opposto. Now this tells you, give precedence to vehicle coming from the opposite direction. This sign. Si incontra quando in una strada a doppio senso vi sia una strettoia. Now when there's a narrowing of this road, you go find them, especially for road is a two-way circulation, and there's a narrowing on this carriageway. You're going to find this sign. Ad esempio, parte della carreggiata sia sbarrata per lavori. Now, in a case whereby they block one side of the road, one part of the road, they block, and due to road work that is happening on that carriageway, they just block one part of the road, then allow you guys to be managing maybe one lane. Okay, so most times you will find this sign for that place. Che permette il transito di una sola fila di veicoli. Now, this sign permits one line of vehicles only to use the road on seeing this sign. I'm going to show you a picture just as an illustration on what I'm trying to tell you. Now, I'm sorry. This part here is where you find Dare Precedenza, this one. In this diagram, it is here, even though it's not that clear enough, but it is here, telling you Dare Precedenza, give right of way to those people coming from here. This red car gave right of way to this white one. All right, that is why it is being is at a stop here, allowing the white one to go, because on his part is saying this sign Dare Precedenza, meaning give precedence, give right of way. Okay, I'm going to continue reading based on Dare Precedenza. Nestrettoia finisce temporaneamente il doppio senso di circolazione ed inizia il senso unico alternato. Di fatto questo segnale impone di dare precedenza nei sensi unici alternati. Now this strettoia, this narrowing of the road, not temporary stuff. It is not permanent, it is temporary. Now, this doppio senso di circolazione, two-way circulation, you know, they again, when they manage one lane, okay, they do changing who's going to go first and who's going to stop, then the other person is going to go. Now I'm going to continue reading based on Segnale di Precedenza, this sign. Se sono contemporaneamente presenti il segnale, il semaforo e il vigile. Now, for example, you find, when I'm going back to the picture, don't be confused, all right? Because I don't want to say much without bringing in the picture for you to see. So I'm going to go back to this sign, make you know, so now see this sign where they talk about Dare Precedenza. Now, when you see this sign together, you can see them with semaphore and traffic light. You can see them with vigile, the person that control traffic agent. Bisogna dare la precedenza se il semaforo è spento, oppure se a luce gialpeggiante gialla. Now, you need to give right of way. If this semaphore is they off or you know they work, give right of way. Or if the semaphore, the traffic light, if they show yellow blinking light, most times when they go forward, you can see some yellow light just they blink. When you see them, you can see that precedenza sign. Give precedence. It is still that precedenza. If the yellow light they blink together with this sign, if the yellow light they off, or maybe you know the function where you see this sign still stand, telling you dare precedenza, give right of way. Si ha invece la precedenza se il semaforo è a luce verde oppure se il semaforo è a luce rossa, ma il vigile urbano invita a passare. Now, on seeing this sign, I'm going to go back again for clarification. On seeing this sign, you can see how with semaphore can show you green. You will obey the semaphore over the sign. Remember that when this sign stand alone, it will tell you, say, wait, let the other people from the opposite direction go. Now, when you can see them with green light, when you see them with a green light, you have to go. You're going to obey the traffic light over the sign. When you can see them with agented the traffic or somebody that is helping control this traffic, either a police helping you to control this traffic, you're going to obey him over this sign. You don't go say, I'm not supposed to go. Look at the sign. Dare precedenza. You're going to obey the traffic persone or the agent of the traffic over this dare precedenza sign. So that means on seeing this sign and you see a traffic light and you see agent of the traffic, this sign becomes irrelevant. It becomes, it's no longer valid. All right, so you're going to obey these two categories, either agented traffic or semaphore over the sign. Now, I've repeated it over and over again, and I believe you understand. If you do not see understand, if you get difficulty, leave them in the comment section. Ok, non è vero che si incontra prima di un qualsiasi restringimento della carreggiata. It is not true that you're going to see it before any kind of narrowing for the carriageway. Let me more say, you see any type of narrowing for carriageway. Now you go take see the sign. It is not true. Now, this is another diagram of this same thing. Now, for example, you find them like this. I think this is more clearer than the first image, right? Now, when you find them this way, you can see traffic lights. What is it showing here? Red, right? This sign, you have to obey the traffic light over the sign. Now, the traffic light here is still telling you what the sign is saying. Now, even if the traffic light is not showing red, this sign still tells you to wait. Let those people from that direction come before you can pass. Now, but this sign, the traffic light is still showing red. It's still telling you it is still the same thing. Now, for example, this traffic light is showing green. You will not look at this sign again. You're going to obey this traffic light you're seeing over the sign. All right. I think I've emphasized more on that signal, but if you still do not understand, leave it in the comment section. If you were asked for a video, I'm going to do a video again based on it. If not, I'm going to reply you straight away in the comment section. Now, this one is diritto di precedenza, nei sensi unici alternati. Now, it brings me back again to this photo. When you on your hand, you're seeing this sign, or the other end, those people that you're giving right of way, they are seeing this sign telling them right of way in this type of narrowing for carriageway. All right, now them get right of way. It means say them, they are seeing this sign, and you're seeing the first sign. Okay, it is as simple as that. È un segnale di prescrizione precedenza. Remember, a segnale di precedenza, na also segnale di prescrizione. So normally, if you do quiz or if you find a monitor of your exam, they will ask you, is this segnale di prescrizione? Don't be confused. It is still the same thing. Indica il diritto di precedenza rispetto i veicoli provenienti da senso opposto. Now, this one they tell you, you have right of way over those people on the other end. So imagine, say, on your part, you're seeing this particular one now. You have right of way over the other people because on their end, they are seeing dare precedenza, not diritto. You are saying diritto, they are saying dare precedenza. Now, you have right of way over them for this type of road where you find this sign. Si incontra quando in una carreggiata a doppio senso vi sia una strettoia. Ad esempio, parte della carreggiata sia barrata per lavoro. So the same thing basically that in this sign they tell you. You find out for two-way circulation, whereby one part of this road now, they don't block and due to a roadwork che permette il transito di una sola fila di veicoli. Now, seeing this sign, it permits only one line of vehicle to pass. Just like this, they don't block one line due to roadwork, so they manage one lane. I still have a photo of this one, okay? It tell you, say, one place don't they block due to the way the carriage will take be. So now there's a narrowing, so you guys have to work it out. You seeing this sign, you have the right of way over the other people because at the end, they're seeing another sign telling them to wait for you to pass. So I'm going to read through again based on this sign, diritto di precedenza. Ok? Nella strettoia finisce temporaneamente il doppio senso di circolazione ed inizia il senso unico ordinato. Di fatto questo segnale indica il diritto di precedenza nei sensi unici ordinati. Now, this strettoia, temporarily, okay, this two-way circulation, it don't become one-way circulation due to this roadwork. Now, this sign, they tell you, say, now you get right of way. Now, let's go with this particular illustration. I think this is clearer than the other one. Let's say the second photo is going to be clearer than the first. Well, let's see. Now, this sign, now diritto di precedenza. Now, first of all, let us deal on the sign. Then we'll see what comes together with this sign and what you should do in this case. First of all, you're going to see this sign, diritto di precedenza, and you get right of way over those people from this place. Okay? In presenza di segnale, bisogna comunque procedere con cautela e percorrere la strettoia. Dopo essersi assicurati di aver ottenuto la precedenza dei veicoli provenienti dal senso opposto. Now, on seeing this sign, now you get right of way, fine, but try to slow down. Make sure, say, the other people from the other end, they give you a right of way. You have the right of way, but you still make sure that they have given you your right of way before you go. And even while you're going, you still have to slow down. Don't say because you have right of way, then you start, should I say, misusing it. Okay, you shouldn't do that. Okay, make sure that they are giving you the right of way, and of course, make sure, say, you slow down. Go with caution. Se sono contemporaneamente presenti i segnali, il semaforo e il vigile, si ha la precedenza. Se il semaforo a luce verde o spento. Se è a luce gialla la peggenti. Se è a luce rossa, ma il vigile urbano impone di passare. Okay, now we're going to deal with the first one that says, se si ha la precedenza, se il semaforo è a luce verde o spento. Now, on seeing this sign, you have right of way. If this luce, they show green light, it is still telling you that this sign is still stand. Green light, you have right of way. Now, when this semaphore will not show any light at all, either off, you still obey this sign. Now, you still get right of way. We're going to see another one. Attenzione. Se è a luce gialla la peggenti, se è a luce rosa, ma il vigile urbano impone di passare. Now, if this traffic light, it can't get yellow blinking light, this sign still stand. Now, you still get right of way. If this sign, just like this picture, it will show you with a red light, traffic light, then a vigilante, let us use this man as a vigilante. He is funny. I'm trying to imagine a vigilante, but don't imagine too much. Let us use this man as vigilante. Let us borrow him for this illustration. Now, this one is telling you, you have right of way. Traffic light is showing verde. Scusa, it's showing rosa. This is showing red light plus this sign, and you're confused. What should I do? And there is an agente di traffico here telling you, go, passare. You're going to obey this agente di traffico over these two signs. Number one, this sign, it will lose in validity. It will lose in essence. Okay, it becomes invalid. The traffic light where they show red is still not going to be over the vigile agente traffico, meaning say you obey this man over these two signs. It is as simple as that. Now, when this man not there here at all, which is the agente traffico, he not there here, you're going to obey the traffic light over the sign. In the absence of agente de traffico, in the absence of the traffic light, totally, you go obey only the sign. Now you get right of way. Now you get right of way, but if this man tell you to stop, you have to stop. Now I'm going to go and see what we have to read again before I close this particular video. Bisogna invece dare la precedenza se il semaforo è spento e il vigile urbano impone di fermarsi. Now, in this diagram again, this traffic light is off. On seeing this diagram, you don't see any traffic light to show you anything. You're not saying I used to get out of you, right? But this man, this agent of the traffic, can say stop. You're going to obey him over the sign. So basically, now the same thing, then you repeat. All right. So I believe that with this illustration, you should have. It is well explainable. It is well explainable. But if you get any doubt, if you get anything where you want to talk, okay, where you don't understand, comment section, it is wide open. Okay, make sure you use it wisely. If you don't ask question, I don't know how it's going to be. The journey is going to be hard. So if you don't say you need any explanation, leave it in the comment section. And people say that best way they ask question, you know they lost. I don't data. Thank you very much for watching. All right, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please leave it in the comment section. Whatever your problem is. Now this channel they leave problems for comment section. I'm going to solve it. I'll try my best to solve it. So that's the major reason why you have to subscribe. Hit the subscription button. That bell, turn it on. This channel is going to be useful. I promise you, it's going to help you throughout your journey. If you want to join the classes, the number is on the screen. It is very important, okay? Because this one, it gives you opportunity to be in group with other people, and you go learn. If you don't learn from your own, you learn from other people's mistakes, okay? No time is wasted. Thank you guys for watching. Please share this video to your family, friends, your loved ones, even your enemy. It is very important. Make them to come get the patente. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.